Some stories are born in victory. Ours was forged in loss, and the grit to rise again. Friends faded, but the real ones stayed. We put on masks not to deceive, but to survive, to recover from those losses, because every challenge, every scar made us stronger. In a world that demands masks, we choose to create our own, forged in steel, shaped by our hands, fueled by our vision. We don't just build cars, we build reflections of ourselves. Every modification, every scraped bumper, every hour spent under the lowlights, it's more than a flex. It's a language, a silent anthem of who we are and who we become. We don't hide behind our builds, we become them. Machine and soul, fused through passion, through perseverance, through unity. This is more than a lifestyle. This is the unmasking of who we are meant to be.
Yeah, I see you looking at me, now go ahead and move that body.
So shit we must do to get that shot.
He's getting into character.
Oh ja! Die man lam, wie is 'n machine gun.
Hallo, hi, is dit 'n 16 valve?
As 11 valve.
Hallo, hi. Is dit Belwel slaghuis nie? Belwel slaghuis.
chasing paper, then I know you can relate. I feel like a waiter, how I bring it to the table. I might run for mayor, my city need a savior. I wanna see you eat, I'm not in no competition. Treat this game just like it's chess, I put niggas in position. Man, I hate to see the way these youngins out here crashing out. Yeah, these young niggas be spending like that's all they care about. I'm just trying to do my part and get back to the streets that raised me. I was in the dark, pray to God, come and save me. That's turning dirty money into something you can keep. If you can work with pounds and keys, you can run a LLC. Self-made millionaire, goons with me, train to go. I came from the projects, all we ever had was hope. Grind up, wait your turn, take a loss, lesson learned. Don't be fucking all these hoes raw, it'll get you burned. Bitches turning into niggas, niggas turning into hoes. Hustle for $1 till I run into a pot of gold. Boss nigga, she think I'm a player cause I fit the mold. Yeah, boss nigga, fit the mold.
66 wanna be, I'm so glad she with me. Sauced up and bossed up, Project Pepper, Tennessee. God is so present me, more and more is all I see. Playing games in these streets, boy, you who wanna be. And still not a follower, popping my collar, sir. Money ain't everything, but I need my dollar, sir. She looking like a model, sir, so I had to bottle her. Put my name with her name, now I full bottle her. A real man work the job before we fall off. He gon' come to work regardless, ain't no call off. You can ball off, or you can ball out. If you ain't smart with your red, your pockets gon' fall out.
Self-made millionaire, goons with me, train to go. I came from the projects, all we ever had was hope. Grind up, wait your turn, take a loss, lesson learned. Don't be fucking all these hoes raw, it'll get you burned. Bitches turning into niggas, niggas turning into hoes. Hustle for $1 till I run into a pot of gold. Boss nigga, she think I'm a player cause I fit the mold. Yeah, boss nigga, fit the mold.
America's Next Top Model.
Hey! Oral mo sa sick, butli.
sound like nails on a chalkboard. Hit you harder than the darts on a dartboard. Damn it, man, I'm creepy like Candyman in a pair of hammer pants with a hammer in his hand. Say what you want, say what you wish, but say my name and it sound like you breaking a dish. Say my name in a whisper like you making a wish. You said my name in the crowd like you afraid I exist. Say my name and it feel like you peeling off a scab that ain't really even healed yet. I don't even fear threats, I don't really feel what they feel when they fear shit. I feel like the pain at a funeral when tears strip. I don't even dodge shots, I dodge bullets like a child playing hopscotch. I dodge bullets like a breakdancer pop locks. I treat your bullets like it's b-ball and block shots.
My tongue is made of razor blades. I think my body's made of steel.